Welcome to Auto Advisor Pro, your smart, professional-grade diagnostic companion. To get started, simply open the app. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in securely. Once inside, just enter your vehicle issue into the response box. You can include details like the error code, vehicle make, and year of registration. For example, I'll enter VW 2011 with the error code P012100. The more detail you provide, the more tailored and accurate the solution will be. But don't worry, it works just fine with basic info to start. Tap Submit, and Auto Advisor Pro gets to work, analyzing your input and searching through its extensive library of real-world, industry-specific data. In just moments, you'll receive a clear, easy-to-follow diagnostic summary, complete with likely causes, possible repair actions, and a recommended plan tailored to your specific issue. It's like having a senior technician at your side, guiding every step with precision, speed, and confidence. Thousands of garages are already using Auto Advisor Pro to save time, reduce guesswork, and fix it right, first time. Try it now with a free trial and see just how powerful your toolbox can be.